If you've seen my review of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, then you will know that I am in love with the MIUI 12 on this device. In this video, I will show you just some of the top features of this UI, as well as some tips and tricks to maximize your experience of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. This is Paolo, and you are watching Daily Driver Philippines. One of the things I love about the Mi 10T Pro is its camera, and it's not just the photos it will produce, but its overall user customization. Going to the camera app and scrolling to the far right brings you to the More option, where you can find the other features of the camera. Hitting on Edit takes you to the screen where you can then long press and drag any of the other features that you want easy access to, and bring them to your camera start screen. So, the next time you open up the camera app, you'll see it instantly. Another great feature of this UI is Video Toolbox. You enable this by going to Settings, Special Features, Video Toolbox, and then enabling it. What this actually does is it enables this gray line while an app is open. So swiping on the gray line takes you to this bunch of options. From here, you have easy access to record your screen, take a screenshot, or to cast your screen to any available devices. Now scrolling to the far right of the options takes you to play video sound with screen off option, which, well, plays your video sound with your screen off. This is one of my favorite features, and it can be extremely helpful if you just want to listen to a podcast, for example, without wasting any battery on your screen. This is a feature that can sometimes only be used with YouTube Premium, and now you can use it here. Another cool thing you can do with Video Toolbox is open another app while watching a video on YouTube. For example, you can scroll through Facebook or even play Call of Duty while watching a video on YouTube.
But I feel like the way it works in most households is when you
Though this might not be something I recommend you doing and might greatly affect your win rate, but it is possible. With this toolbox, you can also enhance and change the style of the video you are watching, and so much more. Another great but simple feature of the MIUI 12 is the ability to take a partial screenshot. I can see this being useful if you need to take a screenshot but want to hide other sensitive details that are also shown on the screen. To do this, take your knuckles and use them to encircle a portion of the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. And there you have it. You also have the option of taking a circular or rectangular screenshot if this is more to your liking. To enable this mode, go to Settings, Additional Settings, Gesture Shortcuts, then Partial Screenshot, and you're good to go. Another simple feature of the MIUI 12 is the ability to lock apps in the background, so they don't accidentally turn off when the phone is running out of memory. To do this, open your Recents drawer, find the app that you want to keep in the background, press and hold, and you will see some options pop up. Look for the lock option and click on that. So the next time you open the Recents drawer and accidentally close all the apps, this locked app will stay running in the background. This can be useful when you're downloading a big file but need to multitask, for example, downloading Genshin Impact on the background. You're confident that it won't accidentally close down. Another great feature available to Xiaomi phones is its second space feature. Now, what this does is it creates two phones in one. This can be useful if you have kids or probably another person using your phone, and you still want to keep your phone private. To set this up, go to Settings, Special Features, Second Space, and turn it on. From here, you can set up the new user's fingerprint to open this space. For this example, I will be using my wife's fingerprint for second space and my own fingerprint for the phone's default space. What's amazing about this really is how seamless the whole experience is, and you can switch between spaces effortlessly. So those are just some of the things I love about Xiaomi's MIUI 12. It's quick, easy, and has a ton of features that you will find in any other UIs out there. If you think I missed out on any other features, or if you just want a shout out on my upcoming review, comment down below. And while you're at it, like the video and hit that subscribe button for more daily drives. This has been Paolo, and you're watching Daily Driver Philippines.